Very good evening, Aprajita and everyone, those of you who have just joined. Okay, students, on that note, let's begin with this session. So, first of all, I welcome each one of you to my class on the most important MCQs of CrPC. Let's start with my brief introduction. My name is Sandeep Khatri. These are my areas of specialization. As you can see, the constitutional law, criminal law, commercial law, family law, jurisprudence, and law of torts. This is the link of my profile of Unacademy students. So make sure you follow that to get all the updates about my special classes and my plus courses. This is my Telegram channel where you can connect with me and ask your questions related to your judicial preparation. At last, I have mentioned my code Khatri10, which you can use to get free access of all the special classes available on Unacademy app. So this was about me. Now I request everyone, please be attentive, and this is going to be an interactive session. So the moment you feel you are not clear with anything, feel free to ask your questions in the comments and I'll answer accordingly. So this is the I hope you all are ready for the MCQs. All good, Aprajita. How are you? Very good evening, Anjali and everyone, those of you who have just joined. So let's start with this test. Please do put your notes, books, bare acts aside, and here comes the first question on your screen. Classes of criminal courts under section, one of the most important section, which tells you the types of criminal courts. So that is mentioned under section. Yes, please. Good evening, Kanika, Tilak, and everyone. Aprajita, Sheikh, and Kanika, top three students to answer correctly. Yes, C is the correct answer, students. Section number 6 tells you the classes of criminal courts. Second question, who has the power to declare any area metropolitan areas? Option number A, High Court. Option number B, State Government, Central Government, Court of Session. Aprajita, Tilak, and Kanika, top three students to answer correctly, followed by Sheikh and Sumiti. So the correct answer is B, State Government. You can refer section number 8 as well for that. Where the term metropolitan areas are defined? Yes, students. Under which section the term metropolitan areas has been defined? Okay. Court of Session established under section. No, Kanika. 2O is the officer in charge of the police station. Section 2 clause K define the term metropolitan areas, which basically will take you to the section number 8 only. Okay. Uh, Tilak, Aprajita, correct answer. It's section number 9. Okay. Kanika, please do correct yourself. Court of Session is section number 9. Okay. And always do remember when it comes to chapter number 2, starting from section 6 till 25A, all the section numbers are very, very important. Okay. Section 24 deals with Top 3 students to answer correctly: Tilak, Sheikh, and Tushar. And everyone's answer is correct. That is B. Students, this is your section 24, public prosecutor. Then there is your section 25, which is basically your assistant public prosecutor, and section 25A is your directorate of prosecution. Who may order life imprisonment? An order of life imprisonment may be passed by. Starting from Tilak, Aprajita, and Shitanshu. I guess everyone's answer is correct. That is session judge. Can you tell me the exact section number? Can you tell me the exact section number as well? Which section gives power to the session judge to give the order of a life imprisonment? Tilak, correct answer, section 28. So basically, you should know what is the major difference between 28 and 29. Okay. So Chief Judicial Magistrate First Class, and Judicial Magistrate Second Class. That all will fall under 29. Okay. And the High Court, Session Judge, Assistant Session Judge, that will fall under section 28. Judicial Magistrate Second Class can pass sentence up to. Good evening, Padma and everyone, those of you who have just joined. Aprajita, Tilak, and Tushar. I guess everyone's answer is correct. That is C. Quickly write down in the comments what is the major difference between the term punishment and sentence. What is the difference between punishment and sentence? Are they synonyms? If not, what is the difference? And if you think they are synonyms, do write it in the comments. What is the difference between the term punishment and sentence? Be quick. Okay, Aprajita, what is the difference? Punishment, section 53 IPC. Sentence which magistrate passed, punishment which accused got. Tushar Tyagi. Okay, now let me tell you. See, punishment is basically, let's take an example. Section 378 of IPC defines the concept of theft. Okay. Section 379 gives the punishment for theft. Okay. So punishment for the theft is imprisonment of either description, which may extend to 3 years. That is the punishment. Okay. But when judicial magistrate first class gives him 2 years of sentence. So what he got finally for that? So that is basically sentence, which has been given by the judicial magistrate first class. Okay, so that's the sentence. Next. Police officer can arrest without warrant from a magistrate under section. Police officer can arrest without warrant from a magistrate under section. VR classes followed by Aprajita and Sayantani. Top 3 students to answer correctly. Okay, everyone please do correct yourself. A is not the correct answer. D is the correct answer. Under section 41 clause 1, police officer can arrest without warrant. But when it comes to section 41 clause 2, there is basically police officer is arresting, has the power of arrest, but only with warrant. Okay. And when it comes to section number 42 as well, section 42 also gives the power to the police officer to arrest without warrant. But as far as this question is concerned, D is the correct answer. Next. Under section 41D of CrPC, choose the most appropriate option. Kanika, Tushar, and Tilak. No, sorry, Tilak has answered D. Kanika, Tushar, and Padma, top 3 students to answer correctly. B is the correct answer, students. Right of arrested person to meet an advocate of his choice. So this is one of the rights of arrested person. B is the correct answer. Person arrested not to be detained more than 24 hours. Most repeated question from your exams. You should not take more than 2 seconds to answer these kind of questions. It's okay, Tilak. Okay. I guess everyone's answer is correct. Starting from Aprajita, Padma, and VR. Okay, VR, please do correct yourself. Tilak. Top 3 students to answer correctly: Aprajita, Padma, and Tilak. So section 57 is the correct answer. Now I have one more question. These 24 hours includes the journey time as well. The time of journey. Yes or no? From the place of arrest to the police station. So that time journey will be included or excluded. Answer in the comments. Tilak, Aprajita, and VR classes. Top 3 students to answer correct. Excluded, not included. Correct one. No woman shall be arrested. Write down the section number as well, one of the most important section, where it is given that no woman shall be arrested. Aprajita, Kanika, and Tilak, top 3 students to answer correctly. And I guess everyone's answer is correct. Tilak, correct. Section 46. Aprajita, yes, section 46. So basically, arrest how made. Okay. So no woman shall be arrested. Okay. Is there any exception to this rule? Is there any exception to this rule? Be quick. Tell me the exception when women can be arrested even at 12 p.m. in the night. Judicial Magistrate First Class. Yes. With the permission of Judicial Magistrate First Class. Summons issued by the court must be Shivalik legal word. Just a correction, not from any magistrate. Judicial Magistrate First Class. Okay. Okay, where the form has been given for the summons? Which is the form number for the summons? Aprajita, Kanika, and VR classes. Top 3 students to answer correctly, and I guess everyone's answer is correct. Form number for summons 33, 52, anyone. Form number for summons. Sayantanin, it's not in the first schedule, it's in the second schedule. Form number 1, schedule 2 is the correct answer. 32 is for the charge, not for the summons. Okay? Yes, Raja, Sayantani, yes. Second schedule. Form number 1. And form number 2 is basically for warrant. You don't need to remember all the 56 form numbers. Okay? But at least do remember the longest form, that is 32, which is of related to charge. Form number 1, that is related to summons. And form number 2, which is related to warrant. I think that is more than sufficient. And total number of forms and the schedule number. So total number 56 and schedule number 2. Period of appearance for proclamation issued under section. Top 3 students to answer correctly. Raja, Tilak and Kanika. Sorry. हाँ ठीक तो है. A is the correct answer ना. तो A किसने दिया है? राजा, Tilak and Kanika. Okay. Sayantani, Aprajita and Heer, please do correct your answer. Period of appearance for proclamation issued under section. We are talking about section 82 here. Okay. So A is the correct answer. Done. Now I have one more question. Proclaimed offender is under section. I am giving you options as well. Listen carefully. I am giving you options as well. Proclaimed offender is under section option number 1, 82 clause 1. Option number 2, 82 clause 2. Option number 3, 82 clause 3. Option number 4, matlab D, 82 clause 4. Which is the correct one? Proclaimed offender under section. And option number A, 82 clause 1, 82 clause 2, 82 clause 3, 82 clause 4. A, B, C, D. '83 clause 4. Tushar Tyagi, correct answer. Santani Chatterjee, correct answer. So the correct answer is going to be 82 clause 4. So what is 82 clause 1? 82 clause 1 is proclaimed person. Okay. Proclaimed offender is under section 82 clause 4. But suppose in the examination, if you are just getting section, if you getting all these options, then obviously you are going to choose section 82. Okay. Next one. What is the time limit within which claim and objection to attachment to be made under CrPC? Aprajita, Raja and VR. Everyone's answer is correct. Tushar Santani. A is the correct answer. Here correct answer. That is of 6 months. Okay, let's change the question. So suppose there is one party who has made a claim and objection. Okay, I'm changing the question. The options will remain the same. I'm just changing this question. Okay. So suppose there is one party who has made a claim and objections in relation to the property that has been attached under section 83. But the court has given the order against his claim and objection, and now that is the aggrieved party. So that aggrieved party may file a suit under CPC, and for that the period of limitation is going to be if these are the options. Choose the most appropriate one. The options remains the same. I have just changed the question. Tushar Tyagi, correct answer. Santani Chatterjee, correct answer. For that, the period of limitation to file a suit is 1 year. Correct. Who may pass order under section 125? Section 125 clause 1, to be more specific. Who can pass order under section 125 clause 1? Kanika, Tilak and Aprajita. No. Aprajita has option D. Okay. Kanika, Tilak and Sayantani. Top 3 students to answer correctly. So that is Judicial Magistrate First Class. Okay. Okay, I have one more question. When it comes to Schedule 1 of CrPC, that basically tells you which court can try what kind of an offense. So why Schedule 1 has not mentioned about Section 125? Yes. Why the concept of maintenance is missing from Schedule 1 of CrPC? And why do we have specifically written Judicial Magistrate First Class in the section itself and not in the schedule? It's okay, Aprajita? Yes? Anyone? Hello, Mohammed. I hope my question is clear. Because maintenance is not an IPC. Because when it comes to Schedule 1, it deals with offenses, whether under IPC or under any other special law. Okay, and maintenance is not an offense under IPC. That's why. Tilak, this is not purely of a civil nature. This is kind of a, you can say, quasi-criminal. Okay, this is quasi-criminal. If it is going to be of civil nature, that will not be part of CrPC. Okay. Next. FIR can be filed under section. Tilak, Tushar, and Aprajita. And I guess everyone's answer is correct. Yes, correct. Sandani, it's a quasi-criminal nature when it comes to section 125. Who among the following, this is among, who among the following is Kanika, read the question. Tushar, read the question. The examiner will play like this with you. Done? The question was not authorized to record confession. So Judicial Magistrate First Class is, Metropolitan Magistrate is. Okay? This is spelling mistake in magistrate. So the answer is Executive Magistrate is not authorized. So D is the correct answer. Maximum period an accused to be kept in police custody by the magistrate under section 167. Starting from Aprajita, I guess everyone's answer is correct. Aprajita, Tilak, and Raja. Everyone's answer is correct. Same question, but now they are asking about executive magistrate. Same question, but now we are asking about executive magistrate. And 7 days is the correct answer, students. Starting from Kanika, Raja, and Tilak, everyone's answer is correct. Which section deals with the concept of case diary? Most repeated question. Who maintains the case diary? Police officer or the magistrate? Who maintains the case diary? Police officer or the magistrate? Okay, who maintains the police diary? Officer in charge of police station or investigating officer? Navdeep Birla, correct answer, IO, investigating officer, or you can say the police officer in case of magistrate and police officer. Correct. Ordinary place of trial is Raja, answer to your question, case diary is one which is maintained by the police officer, which is basically the investigating officer that is related to that case. So, whatever investigation has been done for that particular case, everything will be written in that particular case diary. For example, if he has spoken to any witness, if he has collected any document or evidence, or if he has spoken to any witness, okay, he will write each and everything in the case diary related to that particular case. When it comes to the general diary is basically put in the police station. So whosoever has come to lodge the FIR or to lodge the NCR or for anything in the police station, that person will make an entry in the general diary. Okay, why he has visited the police station. So A is the correct answer where the offense has been committed. Who may take cognizance under section 190? Kanika, Navdeep, and Aprajita. Correct answer. That is Judicial Magistrate First Class may take the cognizance under section 190. So C is the correct answer. Okay. The maximum amount of fine specified in cases of petty offences under section 206 is maximum amount of fine in the petty offences. Aprajita, Tilak, and Raja, top three students to answer correctly, and that is 1000 rupees. D is the correct answer. Dash offences of same kind within 12 months can be charged together as per to the provisions of CrPC. Aprajita, Navdeep, and Raja, top three students to answer this correctly, and that is three offences of same kind within 12 months can be charged together as per to the provisions of CrPC. Which section provides the concept of summary trial? Yes, section 219. Tilak, Raja, and Tushar. Correct answer. Santani, please do correct yourself. The correct answer is from 260 to 265. Maximum term of imprisonment awarded in summary trial is okay. Raja, Kanika, and Tilak, top three students to answer correctly. 3 months is the correct answer. Which of the following section is for free legal aid? Among top five changes in CrPC 1973 from CrPC 1898, the one is out of five major changes, the one is of free legal aid. So that is given under section. Navdeep, Kanika, and Tilak. And I guess everyone's answer is correct. Here, please do correct yourself. The correct answer is section 304. The composition of an offence under section 320 shall have the effect of. Section 320 deals with compounding of offences. So once that has been done, that is going to have the effect of Tilak, Raja, and Kanika. Top three students to answer correctly. And I guess everyone's answer is correct. Yes, C. So that is basically acquittal. Which section provides for confirmation by the High Court of an order of death sentence passed by the Session Court prior to its execution? Tilak, Navdeep, Aprajita, and I guess everyone's answer is correct. Yes, Navdeep, minimum 2 required. So that is your 368. Now, anything which you are not clear with, you may ask. So this is the link of my profile, my Telegram channel, and this is my code Khatri10. Now, any question which you are not clear with, so let's crack PCSJ with an academy. This is the batch which has been recently started from December 20th. Rapid revision for UP and Chhattisgarh Judiciary. This is the batch which has been started from today only, December 27th, Prarambha batch. This is the batch which has been started from December 17th, Sankalp UP PCSJ Prelims batch. This is the revamped test series for this offering this December. This is your Unacademy Plus and Iconic subscription prices. This is Articulate, the coming soon monthly current affair magazine. These are your YouTube channels of Unacademy, and these are the Telegram channels of Unacademy. Navdeep, the answer to that question is as soon as possible. Okay, compounding of offenses should be done as soon as possible, at the earliest stage of any case. Tilak, judicial custody does not include police custody. They are two different concepts. Okay, judicial custody is basically the person will remain in jail, and the police officer has no power to ask questions or even touch the body of that arrested person. Police custody is when the person is on remand, so basically that will stay in the police lockup. Okay, there is no time limit for the judicial custody, but for the police custody, the maximum is 15 days, and usually you can get for 2 to 3 days, and after that, you again apply for the police custody, and then for that maximum period, that is for 15 days. Done. Chaliye ji. Thank you very much. See you in my next class. Till then, yes, it's time to say peace.